So how's everybody doing? Today's a good day. Got a couple packages in the mail. And we're gonna see what I located here. But sometimes you forget what you ordered, you know? One of these packages is a pretty good item, at least as far as I'm concerned. I can't remember what this is. Oh my. This has been missing in the mail for over a month. Finally got here. This came from Canada. It sat in Chicago for, I think, a month and a half. Until they finally got it out. Wow. Finally got it. It's a clutch cover for my XL 700, wherever it is. The one that's currently on it is red. I believe it's to an 800. So I finally got my clutch cover. This is just some cutting bits, I think.
Have different options.
Yeah, they're different sizes.
Yeah, like half big, half little, and super tiny ones.
Yeah. Here, I got the camera when you want to show them your pug puppy.
Yep.
Yeah, show them your pug puppy. Yeah, you
Her name's Hope.
Her name's Hope. Okay, look out, buddy. We want to see what's in here.
Yeah.
What do you think this is?
A baby box.
A baby box?
Yeah, how it has a baby.
Oh, it has a baby on it?
Yeah.
What do you think's in there?
Baby diapers.
Baby diapers.
Yeah. Or it's your stuff.
Or it's my stuff.
Yeah, because maybe they put in your stuff in the diaper box.
What do you think?
I think. Let's see what it is, right?
Let's see. What is that?
Cool stuff.
Cool stuff.
There's some more to take out.
Yeah.
Why is it messed up?
What is this?
It's part of the... Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
I don't think.
What do you think this is?
Huh?
Here, we gotta move this stuff.
Yep.
Let's put our paper back.
Yep. There's some on your wrap. Woo. Sorry.
So what do you think this is?
Another part of the toy.
This is a very rare piece to find.
Yeah.
Very rare. Take a guess what it is.
What?
Maybe some of the viewers will know. This is a chain brake.
A chain brake?
Yeah.
What's this?
And this is actually spare parts. But this goes on.
The same part?
This goes on there like that.
Oh.
See? This is a chain brake for a chainsaw called a Homelite Super XL Auto.
Oh.
Very hard to find one of these. And this one comes complete, except that the cover here is busted.
Yeah.
So we'll see about maybe fixing that in the future.
Maybe.
But besides this, it's complete. All the pieces are here to make a chain brake.
Yeah.
For on a Homelite Super XL Auto, one of my favorite chainsaws.
Even this stuff.
Yeah, even some spare parts.
Here.
See that?
Yeah. Did I go right here?
Well, that's spare part. That's this thingy up here. See that? Chain brake for the Homelite Super XL Auto. We'll have to install that one of these days.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep.
All right, now look out. We're going to get the big box next. What do you think's in the big box?
Dad, can you see me?
Maybe.
Turn around. Get on the camera.
So, is there any such thing as common but rare?
No.
No? They're not the same?
Common but rare? Yeah.
How is that even possible?
Oh, it is. Yep.
So there's all that stuff.
Look out. Whoa.
This is a. I think. I know what it is. It's a chainsaw.
It's a chainsaw.
Yeah. That's what I know.
We can move.
Yep.
You're gonna sit on my lap now.
Let's see what it is.
What do you think it is?
It kind of looks like a chainsaw almost.
It looks like a chainsaw?
Yeah.
Remember me saying common but rare?
Yep.
What does common but rare mean?
I already showed her.
I know. Mommy's doing it this time.
Now we should open this one. I'm hoping Daddy. Oh, I found out what it was.
Homelite bar.
Yeah,
I found out.
it's a Homelite bar.
Yep.
Look at that.
I said that right here. Is there anything else in here? I found something in there. No. But that's it. Now, what is this? What? Oh, right there.
My knife is dull. So I said common but rare, right?
Yeah.
Why do you think it's common but rare?
Because it looks like everything that you have already.
It's a common chainsaw. It was a very rare set.
Oh, that's weird.
Yep.
Pretty.
Look at that.
That's different.
Yeah. It's a Homelite Super XL Auto with what they call a full wrap handlebar.
Cool. Take a picture. Allow me down here.
That's where the chainsaw goes.
That's where the chain rides. Look at this. This thing is really nice.
Yep. And Sarby. And Sarby. Hey, you were just for your new one at first.
The cover's been repainted.
Yep.
It's the magnesium cover,
What's that?
but you didn't repaint the white.
Is that the dashing?
That's for the air filter. Look at that nice chrome muffler.
It's like, Daddy. So if you cut wood with that chainsaw, would I be able to come with you?
Yeah,
All right.
but you know what we're gonna do?
Huh?
We're gonna take this chainsaw and we're gonna port it. We're gonna make it run really, really, really well.
Uh-huh.
And then Daddy's gonna use it for his own personal chainsaw for any time he's out cutting wood.
Yep, guys.
Yeah.
I said, yep, guys.
And we don't need this.
Nope.
We don't need this. We got one much better. You wanna help Daddy put it on?
Yes.
We're gonna have to get a new chain. But we might have one here. Doug sent us a bunch of chain.
I'm thinking.
So we might have a chain already. Alrighty. You ready?
Yes.
We're gonna put a bar on it, okay? I got the bar
Ready
sitting
for
right here.
this?
Look, I got a brand new bar for it right here
Ooh.
that we're gonna use.
What's?
Look at that.
Ooh.
Ooh, pretty.
What does it say?
Sugihara.
Sugihara?
Yep.
I said it perfectly.
We're gonna stick that on there.
3.
Yeah.
Can I help? Where is that?
We'll just put these two nuts on here.
Can I do the other one?
Yeah.
Right this way? Alright. Finish.
Yeah.
I did another one.
Yeah, you did. Look how pretty it is. Looky.
It's super big. It's super big now.
Yep. We're gonna run a 24-inch Sugihara bar.
Today?
No, not today.
When?
But this is gonna be Daddy's new personal chainsaw.
But you
We're
won't.
gonna run it.
But you won't use the other ones.
Yeah, we'll still use the other ones, but there's always one that you use more than the rest.
What?
And
This
that's that one.
Hey. Thanks for stopping in. Later. Bye.
There you go.